How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on the very first option, Account Center. Now from here, tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Instagram account that you want to delete. Then tap on the second option, Delete Account. Now remember that deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. Tap on the Continue button if you want that. Now here, select a reason why you're deleting your Instagram account. Then tap on the Continue button. Here, tap on Continue as well. Now you want to enter your password. And then tap on the Continue button. Now here it's asking you for confirmation, so tap on the Delete Account button from here. And here it says that if you continue with the account deletion, your account is going to be permanently deleted. And now, as you can see, you have been switched to another account, which means your current account has been deleted. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.